Welcome back everyone. You may have an issue with your iPhone where you're not getting any mobile signal, which in turn won't allow you to make any calls or use Facebook or Instagram app on your iPhone. There can be many reasons to this, so let me show you what you can do. However, do note, sometimes the issue is not your iPhone, but where you currently are. You could be in a room where no mobile signal is able to reach you, or you might be in the middle of a countryside or a city where no mobile signal towers are present. But if you're somewhere where the signal was fine yesterday, but today you are not getting any signal, then you need to follow the next steps. The first thing you can do is to reset your network settings on your iPhone. You can do this by going to Settings, General, scroll down and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your PIN and then reset network settings. This will restart your iPhone and your network settings will be reset as well. This includes your Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings, and VPN. Once the iPhone restarts and turns back on, you'll then start to communicate with your mobile signal provider as a new session, which will give you a better chance of improving your mobile signal. The second tip you could try is to update your iOS on your iPhone. It could be that your mobile carrier requires you to be on the latest iOS in order for the signal to be improved. Maybe a security issue or a trust certificate issue between your iPhone and the mobile carrier. You can update your iPhone iOS by going into Settings, General, then Software Update. Any new available iOS updates will appear here. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on Update and it'll update, and hopefully this will improve your mobile signal on your iPhone. The third tip which you can do is to remove your SIM card and give it a good clean. Maybe the contacts have been corroded or is dirty and requires you to clean it so it makes a better connection with the circuit in your iPhone. You can take a SIM eject tool which looks like a pin to eject the SIM tray and clean your SIM card with it. Lastly, if all does not work, then you'll need to contact your mobile carrier to ask if a mobile tower near your house is down, or is your mobile carrier having some issues with their service. This could be affecting everyone, so not only you. Another possible issue could be that maybe your SIM card is faulty. You can ask for a replacement SIM from your mobile service provider and see if that helps. If the SIM replacement does not work, then I would recommend trying another SIM from a different service provider. This is just to isolate if the issue is with your mobile signal or is it your iPhone. If you find the iPhone hardware at fault, then you need to book yourself an appointment with Apple in order to fix the mobile signal issue. And that is what to do if you're having issues with your mobile signal on your iPhone. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If this video was helpful, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.